Hey guys, how we doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So this is our 3Commas bot update. So yeah, over to those charts. So basically, I've had to capitulate on the bots. I've had to turn them off because we're down a bit more today. It didn't start off that bad though. This was the start of the day because we made some we had some winning trades on this move up here. You can see the buy there and the buy there, so we made some money on that. And then on the sell down here, we made some money on that, and then that's just where it went all wrong with these buy sell buy sell buy sell buy sell. This is just ridiculous. I mean, we're just buying highs and selling lows in a tiny range, and it's just flipping the position round. And then obviously with the fees, obviously the fees have taken some more position sizes, but it's just tiny movements. So I mean, we're not getting these sorts of movements like we get around here. A big move up and then more of a move down and move up, and then like especially here, move down and move up again. We're just not really getting these sorts of moves down here, the move down there. Yeah, I mean, you can just look at the difference between like how the price moves up and down with the buys and sells here compared to here. It's ridiculous, and like the price literally is almost bound within like $100 range at all times. So yeah, so it's like fair enough we're trading with small size, but there is just still, I was leaving them on anyway because it was fine. We'll trade them small size, but it literally is no point in me basically selling all these lows and then buying all these highs and selling these lows and just constantly doing it. Like literally just no point. So I have turned them off. So we will see. Yeah, so obviously we had those wins this morning. So this morning we were up on the day, up from yesterday, and then we just proceeded to have a load of obviously buying highs and selling lows. So there were none of them were massive obviously losses. Look, all like 0.4%, 0.5%, and then just tiny losses really, 0.3%. But yeah, but just no point. There's no point, is there? So yeah, I will turn them on. I'll turn them back on again when obviously we start to basically get some volatility again. So I'll keep doing the updates on what I'm looking at with the indicators wise. So yeah, I mean, I'm sure we'll get volatility return soon. It's just basically the market just trying to put everyone to sleep here, and then it's going to try and catch you off guard. I mean, it tried to catch you off guard here, and then literally ended up trading. We trading exactly the same level, literally the same level afterwards. After a movement of over $400 swing, and we end up at literally to the dollar. So yeah, the market is testing everyone's patience. This is the sort of thing that happens way before a real big move comes up. We obviously had to try to move down there, and then we got all squeezed all the way back up, and then yeah, and then since then nothing other than this blip here. And we had a bit of price action. Where did we have it? Well, not really, was it really? We had a move down to here, then pretty much quickly back up again, and then just back to the middle of the range. So we're knocking on that top level again, but it's gonna take some volume and some impetus in the market to get us out of this range. So yeah, for the time being, the bots, where are they? The bots are off. These are great bots, by the way. This is a great bot setup. This is a great bot setup for trading when the market is actually moving and not doing stuff like this, like what it is doing. So these work well. These sorts of market movements, it's all gonna work well. So yeah, it's okay, guys. So don't worry. As soon as we get back to some sort of trading normality, we'll get the bots on, and then we'll get cranking up the size, and we'll get adding more of those Ethereum bots as well, and yeah, we'll see how we get going. So yeah, really, to be honest, now is the time to if you guys trade on Bybit, I don't know if you trade on Bybit, we're actually 3Commas is actually gonna be having Bybit bots soon. So yeah, this is the time to be basically basically buying volatility, buying premium, buying puts and calls, and putting on straddles and just waiting for the breakout in volatility really. That's the perfect time for those, so look out for those. But anyway, thanks for listening, guys. So remember, not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and yeah, I'll speak to you guys in the morning.